Hurricane Sandy swept through the East Coast, left so much devastation. And the holidays are coming up soon, thinking so much about the families and especially the innocent kids trying to recover from all this. And we want to bring some smiles to these kids' faces for the holidays. So we put together an initiative to bring as many toys together between my hometown, Cleveland, and where I live now in New York City, so we could deliver them to the kids around the holidays, hopefully provide some comfort to them. So our first benefit concert for this initiative is Tuesday at Joe's Pub, New York City. A giant marine truck is going to be parked in front on behalf of Toys for Tots, and we're going to load all the toys up after the concert. And then we go out to Cleveland for 2 days, November 25th and 26th, to do concerts at a wonderful club called Nighttown. And Kevin Milletti, who is the owner and driver of the Screamin' Demon monster truck, is going to park it right in front of Nighttown. We're going to load even more toys up, setting up drop-off locations all around Cleveland, and then when we make our way up to New York City for the holidays, to Pennsylvania, New Jersey, different drop-off locations there. So we ask all of you to get engaged. We know the busiest shopping season is coming up. Go out, buy a couple gifts, and stop by one of our drop-off locations and load them on the truck. We're also starting a brand new group on Facebook we'll keep you posted about. We want you to take photos, take videos of you guys out buying the toys, maybe send a sweet message to the kids, let us know what you're getting, what you're thinking, and we look forward to hearing from you.